I'm so happy to see you today, and I'm so happy and excited to do some reading as well. If this is your first time reading with me, let's just take a look at a word first. You're going to notice that there are dots underneath our sounds. Those dots are going to mean how many sounds. They're also to help us move our finger along as we read the word. So each dot is going to correspond us to a sound. So let me show you how this works. So this is oo, ip, fu, ip, flip, flip. Okay. Then the next thing you'd see is a picture that's going to come up. Another thing I wanted to say before we get started is that these words are going to be getting a little bit longer. In the other videos, if you've watched those have 3 sounds in them. These words are going to have 4 sounds or 5 sounds in them. That's because there's something special. Can you say blend? Yes. Do you know what it means to blend something? What do you see? What am I doing? Yeah, mixing things together, right? So that is when we have 2 consonants. In this word, we have an oo. And those sounds, they're separate sounds still. We kind of blend them together to make the sound fool, okay? Fool, fool, ip, flip, okay? So you're going to read, then we'll read together. Here we go. Very nice. Let's read this one together. Cool, ip. So our blend is cool, ip, clip. Like a clip. There's lots of types of clips, right? Some for people's hair, some for paper. Your turn. Good job. Let's do it together. G-at-s, gets. So our blend is at the end there. We have ts, gets. Great job. Let's read it together. Frog, frog. Where's our blend? Where do we see 2 consonants? Yeah, right here, right? There's a frog. Gonna listen. Very nice. Let's read together. Pigs, pigs, right? And at the end, we see a g. And then this normally goes s, but we've learned before, right? Maybe you know before that sometimes this letter, if you've been reading the books too with me, I should say, that sometimes this letter goes z. If it's at the end of a word and we see one of them, a lot of times this letter is going to go z instead of s. Pigs. And this also can tell us that it can mean more than one. So you see 1, 2, 3 pigs. Very nice. Let's read together. Crab, crab, crab. Very good. Let's read together. Trap, trap, trap. You notice how sometimes I say the word more than once? You might have to do that a few times to be able to figure out what the word is. It might not come to you right away, especially if it's a new word to you, okay? So don't give up if it feels hard at first, all right? Great, let's try it together. Milk, milk, milk. A glass of milk. Your turn. Very nice. Let's try together. Glad, glad. Someone that's happy. I have a question for you. What's our first sound in this word? Yes, very good. Here's our first sound. It's that first dot, right? I can look here and go g. Very nice. What's our last sound in this word? Very good. Yes, it's D. Very good. All right, your turn. Very good. Let's read it together. Drum. Very nice. You might have to try this one a few times because it has, let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sounds. Sometimes the more we add sounds, the harder it gets for us to say them nice and smoothly. Okay, so let's try together. Flags, flags, flags. Remember that letter at the end here? A lot of times we do know that it goes z if it's at the end of a word. Great job. And pants. Lots of pairs of pants. So we already saw this word before, but now look, it has the z at the end. Very good. Here we go. Crabs. Crabs. How many crabs are there? Yeah, 3. But whenever I see this S at the end of something that's like a thing, like an animal or an item, I know that it means there's more than one. It's plural. We saw this word before, but we're putting a Z at the end. Good. Let's read it together. Frogs. Frogs. How many frogs are there? Yeah, there happens to be 3 again. I didn't even notice that both of them had 3. But again, this means it's plural. It means it's not just going to be 1 frog. There's going to be 2, 3, 4, or way more. Very nice. Let's do this together. Helps. 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 Great job. Let's read it together. Slip. Slip. Uh-oh. Make sure you don't slip on the water. Your turn. Good job. Blend it. Very good. Let's do it together. Jump. Jump. Oh, look at the kid jumping. Your turn. Very good. Fast. Fast. All right. You did such a great job today. And you know what? I'm really proud of you because this might be something new and you did not give up. Can you say, I didn't give up today? I tried my best today. I'm a great reader. Yes, you are. And I can't wait to see you next time. All right. Bye. Have a good day.